in.
Welcome back.
Slow it up. Impressive. There she is. Hello.
Oh, hi, Arthur.
Hello, Miss O'Shea.
Hi.
My dear Arthur, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to thank you for your help with Jamie. He and Daddy are still arguing, but I understand that Jamie is thinking about going back to college. Whatever happens,
You settling back in?
I like it here. Lots of places to explore.
Well, don't explore too far. Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Bye-bye.
Hey,
Molly?
Hey, Arthur.
What you doing?
Nothing.
I don't believe you.
It's just a little robbery, all right? Nothing serious.
Good. What are you robbing?
A stage. There's a stage coming through. According to the fella I met, it'll have a bunch of money aboard and no security whatsoever as it comes up the river trail between here and Catfish Jackson.
Okay. That sounds worth investigating. You and, who?
I don't know. I thought I'd do it on my own. It'll be unprotected. Won't be a huge take, but I should make out okay.
There ain't no such thing as unprotected. Now, who you want to go with?
I guess you.
Now?
I don't need no hand-holding offer.
Oh, come on, kid. But if we decide to do it once we've had a look, I'm taking half the money.
All right, let's get going then. It should be on its way right now. Seems like only yesterday you and me was shooting our way in here to rob those fools.
Yeah, I know.
I'll be glad to leave this place behind if I'm honest. Got a bad feel to it.
At least it's got a roof.
You've got a roof. Of course, I'm outside with the juniors.
Oh, you ain't even 20 years old. Your time will come. Okay, girl.
Follow me. I saw a good spot for an ambush.
So who's the feller told you? about this?
It's a sound lead, I told you.
And what did he have to gain by giving you this information?
You mean, did I give him money or a gun? You're just gonna have to trust me on this one, Arthur.
Okay, I do. You've more than proved yourself the past 6 months.
Don't forget, I was on the run for murder before falling in with you boys. For 3 years. It ain't like I'm new to any of this.
Those fellers who killed your pa?
Yep. And I'd do it again right now.
Of course.
Okay, here we are. Easy. Let's leave the horses off the road to the right here. I figured we'd take up position behind these rocks.
Yeah, seems good.
The stage should be coming up the river from Catfish Jackson any time now. There it is. And I don't see no escorts neither. This should be a cakewalk.
Are you sure about that?
You see any? As soon as they're close enough, we'll jump out, hit them fast.
Just wait for my lead, okay? I said wait for my lead.
This is a robbery. Drop your weapons and put your hands in the air. I said drop the weapon. Okay. Just take it easy. All right, boy? Anyone else? Anyone inside there? Answer me! Last chance. Come out, or we're coming in. Shit!
You alive?
Yeah. Are you?
Evidently.
That was not the way I was expecting things to go.
You took us into a trap.
Look, I'm telling you, it was good information. Wait. Look, there's some money here. Not much.
Yeah, it ain't much, because it was a trap. Stage companies do this all the time. They set up traps to catch fools.
Shit.
Like you and me.
I feel like a fool.
Well, that's good, because you are a fool. But you're still alive, so don't worry too much about it. Come on, get out of here before any more turn up.
All right. See you back at camp.
Let me go. And there's no bad blood.
No bad blood.
Goddamn stupid!
Officer in need of help. Over here. I'm a policeman.
There you go.
Thank you. God damn these bastards.
Get out of here before any more of them come along.
Okay. There might be some things here if you want them.
Might just be a hero, me.
Thanks again, citizen.
Yeah. Easy there, girl. There, girl.
How's yours? I can't trust you if I can't see
You there?
your face.
Take the mask off.
Hey, mister.
Well, now, you should take a look at yourself.
Evening. Come on, don't make a fuss. Just take it off.
Alden, hey. You know anything about these runaways? Off the chain gang?
Oh, hello. I heard both sides of that story. They're either horrible murderers, or they were just defending themselves. Take your pick, which. As to where they are, no idea, sir.
Well, guess you don't know everything. So long.
Bye for now.
Braithwaite Manor? Probably blame that on the Grays, too.
Yep, thank you. You worry too much.
You know,
Ah, something else? I thought you were sweating a little. Very good. I'll put the word out in Lemoyne. Bye.
good evening, sir.
Oh, you should see yourself. Hey, y'all.
Hi, mister.
Everything okay? Howdy.
Evening.
Let's go, girl. Okay, my girl.
Somebody please help me. Oh, hey you. Please, gotta help me. Some fellas broke into our place. I got away, but they got my wife. Please, mister. You gotta do something.
No! Don't do this! Please! All right. Where is she?
It's shacked out in the swamp by the water.
Okay. Go on, see if you can find the law. I'll do what I can.
I go about finding more help. Help! Somebody help! What are you following me for? Please find my wife!
Easy, whoa. So,